Self-growing crops, harvesting crops, and chicken herding? Yep, it can all be done by a robot. These agricultural machines advancing quickly, more productively, and at a faster pace than ever imagined. From AI-streamlined greenhouses to moving chicken coops, such technology seems to belong in a futuristic novel. So, in today's video, let's take a look at these futuristic farms. Lely Exos. Lely is famously known for its innovative systems that aid in farming. With the concern that cows do not get adequate nutrition, they created the Exos, which is a modern farming device that autonomously harvests and delivers fresh grass throughout the day. It powers around fields of the farm up to 1 kilometer away from the barn and carefully mows, collects, and delivers grass with the aid of GPS and ultrasonic sensors. Unlike traditional methods that depend on grazing or manually mixed feed, this device enables cows to enjoy the most natural and nutritious diet possible. To further Lely's sustainable farming efforts, the electric-powered Exos also includes lightweight design features and environmentally friendly 500mm tires that permits operation from early spring to late fall without damaging the Earth's soil. Farmers can now spend that time with their families or managing their farms, which is aided by data-driven insights provided by the system that optimize grass yields. Exos has also shown that methane emissions can be reduced by 20%. While also improving life for lower-ranked cows by eliminating competition at feeding fences. Moreover, CEO of Lely, Andre van Troost, has claimed that this revolution will put this farming company further at the forefront. He anticipates that, in the future, farms will be automated safe havens where cows can live, behave as they wish, and their well-being is taken care of. Welcome to Iron Ox, one of the world's most advanced high-tech robotic farms that specializes in completely autonomous fresh vegetable production. Located in California, Iron Ox is out to change the agricultural landscape by automating every component of farming using AI and robotics. At the center of this innovative farm are two smart robots, Grover and Ada. Grover is a mobile robot that moves around the farm and places hydroponic plant containers in the most ideal positions for growth. In contrast, Ada is a robotic foreman with an arm capable of working with great precision. She plants, supervises, and harvests crops with exceptional skill and control. By implementing a closed-loop hydroponic system, Iron Ox uses significantly less water than traditional farming. Their AI monitoring systems evaluate the health, nutrients, and even the surroundings of each plant in real time, maximizing efficiency while minimizing waste. The farm operates with almost no human input whatsoever, making it more efficient. This also lessens the need for manual labor while maintaining high-quality crop production throughout the year. As the world seeks sustainable solutions, farms like Iron Ox showcase the future of AI-enhanced agriculture. Robot chicken coop. Moving beyond what conventional chicken coops are able to do, the Robot Chicken Coop by Pasturebird is a solar-powered motorized coop designed to cross fields automatically. It does so at set intervals, allowing soil to replenish naturally over time and preventing soil degradation. Chicken farming is now able to step into the 21st century with the integration of modern technology and sustainable agriculture. Maintaining a constant flow of electric-powered wheels that are controlled via remote allows farmers to keep their chickens in pasture without breaking a sweat. Health benefits that chickens receive alongside a lower carbon footprint enables the system to fulfill ever-increasing demands of environmentally sustainable chicken farming. Enabling chickens to feed off pasture as they please fosters an environment where fresher and more nutritious chicken eggs can be harvested. The Robot Chicken Coop also eliminates the need to use synthetic fertilizers, as chicken waste serves to enrich the soil naturally. This pasture-based approach also aids farmers cut down costs on labor by automating the more manual feeding and waste management tasks. While these positive enhancements are pleasing farmers, consumers get the opportunity to enjoy more nutritious free-range poultry products. With tower farms, you can picture the possibility of growing an entire vertical farm in your yard, office, or even in your home. There's no emissions nor waste involved in these compact systems, as they have no soil, and reimagine the way we grow food for urban dwellers. Minimal scorch farming with no boundaries is unleashed. With tower farms, there is no requirement of land, soil, or any labor-intensive employment. All that is required is to position the seed in the tower, and the system will do the rest. The system also boosts nutrient concentration by 65%, unlike conventional agriculture. Each unit of these vertical farms are capable of growing up to 32 fruits, vegetables, and herb plants at a time. The automated nutrient delivery system ensures optimal plant growth, making farming hassle-free even for beginners. Tower farms can be planted on a balcony, rooftop or backyard, which can provide organic, fresh crops without requiring acres to produce them. Tower farms, which focus on eco-friendly alternatives, are proving that high-yield farming can happen anywhere and making healthy, homegrown food available for all. Aerofarms. Our mission is to grow the best plants possible for the betterment of humanity. Aerofarms, a leader in the vertical farm industry since 2004, works towards that very goal. Their aeroponic system revolutionizes traditional farming by minimizing resource use and maximizing productivity. The numbers speak for themselves. Compared to regular farms, Aerofarms boasts an admitted 26 harvests a year compared to the average 1 to 2. They also require 99% less land than traditional dirt farms, while using 40% less water than hydroponic systems. Instead of drowning plants with water, Aerofarms mists water and nutrients directly to root, eliminating the need for pesticides. Their AI monitoring system is also capable of tracking humidity, nutrients, and temperature, guaranteeing precision growth conditions at all times. By taking control of all the variables, Aerofarms is able to grow urban warehoused and indoor farm-located crops all around the globe. The produce is not only fresher, but helps reduce food miles. This promotes locally grown produce to be available even in densely populated areas. Because traditional farming methods are being threatened by climate change, these factors make Aerofarms a clear example of sustainable food production. Gerbera robot. Researchers at Wageningen University has come up with a new advanced robotic manipulator for Gerbera's harvesting. This robot has been in the works for a little over a year and has been improved multiple times, but no news on the release date yet. Step 1 of the operation is an overhead camera using the robot identifies flowers that have fully and are ripe for harvesting. The robot's arm, equipped with a specialized mechanism, approaches the stem just below the flower and starts the process of cutting the stem. It finishes the stem and then transfers the flower to a holder. One of the robot's key challenges is accurately locating the base of the stem. The flower's position is calculated using a specialized camera, as well as a cutting point placed 4 centimeters below it to make sure the vicinity is ideal. This innovation aims to revolutionize the harvesting process, as well as lower the reliance on manpower. Though robotic harvesting is still an emerging field, the work done by Wageningen University suggests that automation in the floral industry is on its way. By increasing detection precision and cutting accuracy, researchers are attempting to develop a marketable product. Traxx robot. The engineers at Exact Robotics have constructed Traxx, a state-of-the-art autonomous robot that aims to streamline vineyard management activities. Designed to automate labor-intensive procedures, Traxx is revolutionizing the way winemakers manage vine growth. Traxx is powered by a 56-horsepower diesel engines, enabling it to run independently for as long as 35 hours, while performing soil cultivation, inter-row weeding, and other tasks like precision spraying. With high-precision sensors and AI-powered navigation, Traxx modifies its responses proactively according to data regarding terrain, moisture, and plant health. Traxx has some advantages over traditional tractors like lessening soil compaction, which greatly damages vineyard health. Its integrated collision avoidance sensors also make sure that accidents do not happen. It's one of the most valuable features is what makes Traxx reduce the usage of chemicals. Treatments are only applied to areas that need them, which not only saves cost, but enhances sustainability as well. Traxx is now available on the market and is already being used by modernizing winemakers that are seeking to improve vineyard operations. Its introduction marks a significant step towards autonomous, data-driven smart agriculture that works hand-in-hand with technology and sustainability. Meteor Systems hydroponic floating raft. Larger-scale farming operations are abandoning the traditional greenhouse approach for hydroponic systems like the hydroponic floating raft, which is a revolution in eco-friendly farming. Instead of growing crops in soil, this method grows plants in a nutrient water cupboard. The floating raft holds the plants while their roots dangle in water, allowing them to be continuously fed. Some key benefits include no pest interference. Pests have limited access to crops that don't grow in soil. No extra watering needed. Continuous water nourishes the crops. Faster growth. Controlled water temperatures accelerate plant growth. The availability of rafts in different sizes caters to the growing demand for lettuce, herbs, and tuber crops. As industry strives for eco-friendly solutions, floating rafts demonstrate the advantages of farming without soil. This system is transformational for food production because of its low resource demands and high effectiveness. Cubic Farm Systems. The executives of Cubic Farm claim their technology has a solution for an ever-looming global ecological disaster: full automation and indoor farming. Their innovation comes in the form of thriving indoor farms that operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. Cubic farm farmers have the ability to construct climate-controlled pavilions that can simulate the weather of specific regions, such as the hot and humid weather of Ecuador, as well as the cooler, misty weather of Ireland. This innovation provides an end to long logistical expenses and allows farming in regions that usually have harsh climates. Why go through the hassle of shipping bananas from Ecuador when one can use a steel container to artificially recreate the climate of Ecuador right in their backyard? The same goes for lettuce, herbs, and a multitude of other crops which can be grown efficiently with 90% less water than traditional farming methods. The modular design of cubic farms also allows for scalability, making it appropriate for small city farms and big agricultural businesses. Every single unit is autonomously controlled and changes light, temperature, and humidity in real time to maximize plant growth. Vietpepper started in 2012 and quickly made a name in selling premium spices. Initially starting with a small 20-hectare plantation, they have grown to own an astounding 500 hectares of pepper farms in Vietnam due to an ever-increasing demand. Women in straw hats and wicker baskets still harvest the pepper, which gives it a rich aroma and flavor. Once it is harvested, the peppers are sun-dried to maximize their flavor over a long period of time. After the drying process, the peppercorns are sent to workshops to be ground and packaged in glass bottles to maintain the Vietnamese authentic taste. Vietpepper is proud of their ethical standards regarding sustainable farming and production. Their organic farming policy helps guarantee that no chemicals or harmful pesticides are used. No matter if it's black, white, or red pepper, Vietpepper has gained a large base of loyal customers for their high-quality pepper. Vietpepper is proof that modern business and traditions can go hand in hand. The Ropa Mouse 6 is a highly effective and sophisticated sugar beet harvester, tailor-made to improve the efficiency of harvesting sugar beet crops. This harvester from Germany, newly introduced in 2018, marks the beginning of precision and effectiveness on the farms. It is 8 meters long and weighs 18 tons. The Ropa Mouse 6 has an extremely powerful 550 horsepower engine, which allows it to move around the fields easily, and harvests sugar beets accurately at a speed of 10 km per hour. It features cutting-edge harvesting technology, which allows sugar beets to be harvested without major damages to them. This benefit maximizes the quality of the yields and is advantageous to farmers and consumers. The Ropa Mouse 6 is adaptable and therefore can be operated under multiple field conditions, making it a necessity for today's sugar beet farmers. These features, along with constant wear and tear resistant, help to increase efficiency and reduce the need for human labor. The farmer's efficiency is not the end goal for the use of the harvester. There is also a great focus on sustainability by preventing and reducing waste when harvesting. Carrot harvesting has become so easy with the Dewulf ZKIV carrot harvester that it almost sounds effortless. This machine is the most modern technology crafted with precision for harvesting carrots. It made its debut in 2018 and has claimed to fame ever since for its advancements. It is beloved in Belgium and other parts of the world. Additionally, the harvester has an astounding reliability record. Along with these other perks, it is also 8 meters long, weighs 14 tons, and has a robust 350 horsepower engine. All of these features guarantee delicate handling of carrots while working at a speed of up to 25 kilometers per hour, further cementing its name as the best machine for farmers. The harvesting technology is also state-of-the-art. The ZKIV is capable of lifting the carrots from the soil without precluding the damage. This allows farmers from all over the world to spend less on post-harvest remedies. They can now take greater delight in the quality of their crops. The machine excels on so many levels because it can cater to farmers from different parts of the planet. The ZKIV is incredibly versatile, which is a great feature to have in the long run. Farming has depended immensely on these tools. Data suggests that more carrot farmers are switching to this machine because it increases productivity and efficiency. The robotic harvester, Sweeper, engineered by Israeli specialists from Ben Gurion University, is made especially for harvesting sweet peppers. It scans fruits and modifies its actions based on the level of each plant. It also runs along long rails. With the aid of AI and computer vision, Sweeper ensures only the optimum ripe peppers are harvested. The engineers claim that robots, such as Sweeper, will improve efficiency while dishing out lower cost for labor, free farmers from buying expensive market tools, and protect them from market risks, reduce harvest delays that cause most vegetables to spoil, free farmers from manual hustle, which is exhausting. Clean the farming industry from excessive intervention, making it more sustainable. Automating the harvesting process makes it possible for robots to work around the clock. Unlike humans, robots don't need breaks, which drastically changes the way agriculture is done. Now, when this technology goes out for purchase, It is possible for farmers to harvest crops all year round. That way, they would not need to waste productivity. Along with modern farming, this technology helps integrate automation and precision farming. New Holland CR 10.90, perfectly engineered to harvest a vast expanse of land. New Holland CR 10.90 is unmatched in grain harvesting. This American combine harvester is built to endure any farming obstacles with brute force, elegance, and sophisticated technology. With a 690 horsepower engine at its heart, it provides tremendous power for seamless harvesting speed. Twin-rotor grain technology ensures no loss of grains, as it separates them exceptionally well. The massive grain tank and industry-leading unloading speed of 150 liters per second increases productivity dramatically, while for the competition, it is a whole different story. The CR 10.90 is all about precision at work. Thanks to intelligent automation systems, it adapts its processes in real time whilst harvesting. Even in harsh weather conditions with low visibility, farmers can make use of smart steer guidance system and GPS auto steering, which ensures efficient navigation round the field. The most striking feature about CR 10.90 is its comfortability for the operator. The crane's ergonomically advanced cab provides features such as control systems that monitor and change the settings as need be at the farmer's command. Fewer noises and better visibility allow for extended working hours during the harvesting period,